We're at the buffet sa main dining. I forgot kung ano pangalan ng buffet. Ayan. So, they have omelets, scrambled eggs. Same nung pagkain. Nung sa taas. Oh my gosh, meron ng Panda Express na noodles. I think there's tapa. So, ayun. So, yung kabila, a la carte siya. Both free. So, there's bacon. Ayun, tatanungin ko pa lang siya eh. Tatanungin ko pa lang kung may bacon. Meron naman. Okay. So, hanap lang kami upuan and then we'll start. So, for main dining breakfast, there are two choices. So, we have American Icon and Silk. Ayun. So, American Icon, yung parang a la carte, seated something. Dito sa Silk, yung buffet. So, ayun na si Jorel. Kain na tayo. Anyway, basically the same yung buffet. So, there's mackerel here, there's salmon. Same siya as yesterday. So, you have donuts. Similar or same actually nung mga food na nandun sa Windjammer, pero without the zombie stress. Ayan. So, yung eggs then, I think it's better. Okay, quick review tayo ng food kasi wala na akong memory. Ang sarap ng Panda Express noodles.
Panda Express noodles.
Itong bangers, hindi ko pa siya natatry yesterday. So, itry natin. Actually, lahat pala na nasa plate ko, na-try ko na except ito. Saka yung tapa. Saks lang yung bangers, hindi giving. Yung bread ang sarap, pwede nyo siyang ipa-toast. Ipat kami dito sa a la carte na breakfast. This is what I got. Yun yung kay Jorel. This is our view. This is so much more vibey than the other side. Ang gulo ng buhok ko, oh my gosh. Anyway, kakain lang kami. I got the chocolate pancake and he got the eggs ben and it both look good and masarap naman. We are finally in Phuket. So, dito lang muna kami sa balcony. I'm just waiting for Jorel to take a shower. At sila Joe, wala pa. We've had our delicious breakfast. Tapos yun, we didn't want to go as early as 7 a.m. Kasi we had karaoke night kagabi. Pero yun, we're so excited to see Phuket. Yan. We have extra 2 hours kasi hindi kami natuloy sa Penang, Malaysia, which is such a disappointing thing kasi we were expecting to go to Malaysia. Pero apparently there's someone who got sick, blah blah blah. Hindi na kami tumuloy sa Penang. But we have extra 2 hours sa Phuket. Anyway, ayun na. So we'll see you. Good morning! We're here. Ayan sila. Hey everyone! Good morning! Hey! So, we're, nakatender na kami, going to Phuket. And it's not stressful at all. Walang tao. Ayan. Finally, we're gonna get off the ship after being... Oh my God! After being cooked for many days inside the ship, trapped without any escape. Lalabas na kami. Hi! We are now in Patong Beach and mainit. So I have my Jisoo Life with me. Ayan na yung mga friendly. Pagkababa pala, parang yon may beach na, ganon. So hahanap lang kami ng kakainan. Just having cocktails here at So French. Nasa Patong Beach na kami. But actually, I'm having cocktail. They're so boring. They're having coffee. Ay, oh. Hi! Royal Caribbean, 6144.
Meron na naman.
Kaya lang literal siyang daddy.
Girl, I love that.
Uy, ang sarap ng Aperol Spritz. Nakaka-happy. Mag-lunch kami after. Mag-go what? We're having lunch here. Medyo maingay. We're having lunch here at Raya. So we're still in Phuket. Pero it's like a 4-minute boat ride. Boat. Parang grab. Pwede rin naman mag-grab. Pero, yun. Boat yun na book namin papunta sa restaurant. This is the vibe. We're waiting for Elaine and Jeremy. Ayan. This is the menu. We got the crab meat with curry and coconut milk. Yung maliit lang. I hope na maliit lang. coconut, ay pineapple fried rice. Saka yung fried pork. Nasaan na ba yung fried pork? Ay!
Wala.
Ayun. Deep fried pork. Actually, ayun. Tapos, I actually found my longan, pero in dessert form siya, so hindi ko masyado bet. So, tayo iced tea na lang kami. Okay, so we got the crab curry na may parang hindi spicy, and if you want it spicy, pwede mo siyang dagdagan. Si Gerald kasi maarte, ayaw doon ng spicy.
Sorry ah.
Fried pork, we have pineapple fried rice, pad thai, and ano ba tong parang paksiw na
Pero yung mas
patas?
pronounced na pad thai.
Okay. Yun.
So,
Let's
meron tayong
eat.
braised pork. Creamy.
Okay, try muna natin si fried pork.
Is it creamy?
Vinegar dip muna tayo. Ang sarap, girl.
Okay. Okay siya.
Pero na parang dapat ilapit ko siya sa'yo kasi pa.
Ito yung kasama niya talagang dip. Ang anghang, oh my God. Parang sriracha-ish. Ang harap. Ang harap.
Okay na.
Tapos, medyo salty lang siya ha. Try natin tong para may sotanghon na crab. Mmm! Bouncy yung texture ng noodles. Sarap. Then tong braised pork. Have you tried it na, Jarel?
This one?
Oh, etong braised.
Yeah, masarap siya.
Okay, let's try it with the pineapple fried rice.
Ang sarap nito, friend, pag nilagyan ng lime. Pili ko rin.
Mmm.
Give in. Sorry, Elaine.
Ang sarap. I like it better than paksiw na pata kasi walang mga buto-buto. Hey, let's try the pad thai.
Super creamy.
What kind do you in-order yung grilly? Chicken? I don't see sure. Ah, nasa ilalim.
Okay, na-order ko yung rice. Sige. Ano?
Plain rice lang ba? Pineapple rice.
Masarap siya kasi na-indulgent. Parang gusto ko lang ng plain rice. Saka 4-4 daw siya. Friend, masarap nga ba?
Oo, friend. Medyo maasim do. Ah, kaya siya maasim kasi binuhusan ni Jorel ng lime.
Friend, patingin nga. Ay, hindi ka ba nakatikim? Sorry.
Nakatikim na ako, girl. Matahaw lang ako. Thank you. Ang sarap, girl. Alam mo, kinuha na sa akin yung show, pero kumuha pa rin ako kasi ang sarap.
So better than tips sa may nga. Hindi na lang naka-BJM eh.
Mango sticky rice time! Cheryl, ipo-pour ko na. Or gusto mo ba kasi mataas yung pag-pour?
Okay lang po.
Okay.
Naka-video na lang.
Sige.
Ano gagawin?
Google ni Papa.
Ay, sorry.
Ayan.
Be proud si Jorel.
I'm not proud of you.
Hey.
Kita pinalaking ganyan.
Kulang na nga sa elevation, nag-miss pa.
Ano tawag sa rice na to?
Medyo malabnaw na.
Oo. Here, go girl. Or gusto mo ba yung spoon or ano? Ah, sige. Punasan mo nilang girl.
It's purple eh, hindi siya brown.
Nakakot yung ano eh.
Ay, hindi siya maanghang.
Like, kung garlic ba yun o crab.
I'm so excited!
Ay, okay lang sa kapag onion.
Ay! Medyo matigas yung mango. Mango.
Mango.
Yeah.
Ay!
Tapat mo na lang.
Kaya ganyan yung mango. Is it good?
Happy naman ako. We're here at Kopitiam. So, dito yung parang setting sa I Told Sunset About You. Ayan. So, it's not really like kung ano man yung restaurant doon. Pero at least, diba, it's a vibe. So, ayun, we visited lang. We don't have any more time or room in our stomach. Pero pagbalik namin dito sa Phuket, ay! Ay! Asan na yung shades ko? Okay.
Your expensive shades, girl.
So, yun. Pagbalik namin here, kakain na kami dito.
At saka kasya na yung t-shirt na binigay niya sa akin. XL.
Bye!
Pero kung mapa-reserve naman natin, pwede tayong mag-30 minutes.
Kaya nga eh. Thank you, ma'am.
Water?
Here. It's okay, there's lemonade.
You really have to try this. Ang sarap
Mine
ng
is
sauce.
lemonade.
Crunchy. Grabe, shrimp overload ako today.
Para pa-asin siya ba? Asin, no? Yung pinaka-balance ng flavor.
Na-enjoy mo, RC.
Pero pinapartner daw din sa'yo.
Okay naman.
So ladies and gentlemen,
Dinner
while
tonight
you
and
enjoy the
shrimp.
beautiful port
Tatlo yung
outside,
steak namin sa table.
your main dining room team was
Ready to get destroyed? I will destroy everyone. Hi! I-atras mo, girl. Itodo mo pa left. Ayan. Risotto for breakfast. Brunch, actually. In order ni Gerald.
Dapat may gravy to.
Pumpkin ba? Squash?
Ay, wait.
Ayun. Sa akin, omelette. With cheese, mushrooms, omelette. Double cheese, actually. So far, yung burger, sarap siya. Kaya lang hindi ko pa kaya mag-burger ngayong breakfast. Says someone na nag-sweet and sour pork.
Parang starchy masyado.
Yeah, it's not...
Ang harap. Ang akin. Yung omelette.
Lugaw.
Hey, I've been waiting for days to try this. Yung iceberg lettuce. Love the presentation.
Yung fries nila.
Let's try. This is the coconut cake. May raspberry. Raspberry ba yung coulis or strawberry?
Parang strawberry lang guys.
No, it's banana ketchup.
Hindi siya strawberry, girl. Ah, pero okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya super dry. So, I'm here alone in the friends trivia game. Nag-gym kasi yung friends ko and I don't wanna go to the gym.
Let's go with the next question. Number 7. What role did Joey play in the series Days of Our Lives? A good thing to put extra on.
Yeah, that was wrong.
I think you are the highest.
Wow!
What did you get?
Wait.
15. What did you get?
15?
13.
I prepared for a tiebreaker question. It may be, okay, so or the tiebreaker. It was revealed in a sales memorial that she only had one other client and he ate paper. What was his name? So apart from Joey...
Believe it, if my friends were here, we would have gotten all questions.
Yes. Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Once again, my name is Christine. I'll see you around the ship. Plenty of things to do. And don't forget to join the fireworks party tonight for the big event. Thank you so much.
You deserve. So keychain siya, can opener and bottle opener.
Fun.
And another one.
Thank you, Christine. Woohoo! I can't believe I won.
15. I think that's a high school.
Thank you.
16.
All my friends are in the gym right now.
My God. After eating all
Singapore!
So I'm having the vegetable Greek moussaka.
We also have our executive sous chefs who are responsible for the different galleys. The main dining room galley on deck number 3 is the biggest galley and managed by our all the way from Malaysia.
Medyo busy lang today.
Our
Si Gerald, he got the steak.
The most popular
Si
chef
Joe, he got the bolognese.
You will either love
Di ata siya
her or
happy.
hate because she's
I'll try the steak
totally
then. Gerald,
responsible
can I
for
try?
all those extra calories you will carry home from this cruise. And she is your pastry chef, Chef Julieta, all the way from Philippines.
Okay.
Our last but not the least, executive sous chef in charge of the biggest, busiest, and very popular venue on board. And that's our Wijamar Marketplace. And she's Chef Alita, all the way from Jamaica.
Happy naman. Yung Filipino staff, no? Sobrang peak talaga.
Ang saya na hindi sila, wala silang attitude.
Totoo. Sobra, as in lahat na na-meet natin. From the head waiter sa main dining room. Si Miss Gina Lunari.
Hindi siya Pilipino.
Sino?
Si Arnold ang bait.
Hindi pa rin siya nakaget over kay Abraham.
Sadly,
talaga to.
yung steak yung in-order ko, pero crabs ben yung dinala sa akin. So, okay, let's try the crabs ben.
Happy ka naman. Happy ka naman sa pag-use ng ano mo. Yung mga hindi nag-video, yung pa yung ano maganda.
Ay, ooey, oozy, ooh. Okay. I'm not a crab girl, pero ito sinerve sa akin, so let's eat it.
Food sa kabila. Laki ng table natin para sa isang pair lang.
Oo nga yun.
Our cruise is finished, so we're back here at the terminal. We finished breakfast and everything. I think another advantage of having the key is meron kaming sariling the key terminal. Tapos ando na kagad. Hi! Oh, okay. Hi! We're about to go home, pero nag-lounge muna kami sa Sats Lounge. So, let's see. Let me show you the selection. Ito na yan. We have croissants, some bread, some muffins, may coffee. Ito yung mga hot food selection. So, may mushrooms, may curry, at may omelette. Ang ganda naman ng omelette. May laing. Charot. Cream spinach siya.
My God, we're so down to earth.
I know, we're down to earth. Lahat kami naka-Indian set. Because you know, ayan si Jarel. O, kakain. So, yun. I got the laksa. So far, ito pa lang mga nakuha ko. Yung hindi lang given sa akin is the Nigoren. Itong laksa, ang sarap. Medyo kalaban niya na yung resto na kinainan natin.
Talaga?
Sarap.
Isa pa din ako para kakapit.
Our friends, oh.
May hawak na naman dyan, Draco.
Ayan, picture kami. The paano chocolate. So, you have
May nagpa-picture sa'yo. Hindi nagpicture kami. May nagpa-picture sa'yo. Hindi namin nagpa-picture sa'yo.
I couldn't refuse. Kain lang kami. And then, dun na uli sa plane.
Having chicken noodles.
Is it good?
Noodles was okay.
Got the fish, between the chicken and the fish. If you have the option, get the fish. Ang sarap niya, masarap yung sauce. The fish is cooked nicely. Because for dessert, I have vanilla bean ice cream. I also got white wine kasi fish yung in-order ko. So humingi na lang ako ng white wine. For entertainment, I have 17 reality shows, 17 music videos, 17 everything. I didn't notice it nung papunta kami kung may mga 17, pero I played 17 songs. So siguro na-analyze nila. Hindi ko sure kung may ganun, pero yun, ang daming mga 17 stuff. So I'm enjoying. I never get bored. Favorite na so far na flight ko to. Anyway, we'll just finish our meal and we'll head back home. Sarap ng food, in fairness naman. 5 crazy coins, mga 4 crazy coins siguro si fish. So happy. So later mag-Singapore sling siguro ulit kami. Si Joe, ayan. Joe, how